Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I'm Sofea Aisya binti Muhammad Roslan. We explain to you about Chapter 7, Adaptation of Plant in Different Habitat. Adaptation is known as special feature that allow a plant to live in a particular place or habitat. Thus, there are 4 classification of plant based on habitat. First thing first is halophyte. Halophyte plants live in swampy habitats such as fresh water or sea water that rich in salt content but low of oxygen content. Example of halophytes are mangrove tree. Adaptive structure that have a mangrove tree is from the root and the leaf. The leaf have thick cuticle and sunken stomata that can reduce rate of respiration, and succulent leaf can store water. From the root can provide support in muddy or soft soil and can prevent the plant from being uproot in the strong wind. Second class is hydrophyte. Hydrophyte thrive and dominate watery habitat. Hydrophyte either submerged in the water or floating on the water surface. Hydrophyte also known as water plant. Most hydrophyte have fibrous root to provide large surface area and trap air bubble to enable them to be more stable and light. Floating hydrocyte is lotus. Lotus have thin, broad and flat leaf that can absorb maximum sunlight for photosynthesis, while the stem of the lotus consists of light tissue that have plenty of air spaces between the cells. Submerged hydrocyte are Elida species. Elida species have thin and small leaf that can increase the total surface area per volume and increase the diffusion rate of water, mineral salt and dissolved gases directly into the plant through the epidermis. Third class is xerophyte. In contrast of hydrophyte, xerophyte live in the desert. So, what is the adaptive structure that make the xerophyte can live in the desert? Xerophyte grow widely and can penetrate deep into the soil to absorb water and mineral salt. The absorbed water is stored in the root, stem and leaf. Besides, the stem of the cactus carry out photosynthesis. They are also leaf modified into thorn. This feature reduce the total surface area exposed to the sunlight, thus reduce the water loss. Thorn also help the cactus get water supply by collecting the dew. The dew will drop into the soil and absorbed by the root. Last but not least, the fourth class is mesophyte. So, mesophyte plant live in not too dry or not too wet habitat with adequate supply of water. So, most of the plants are mesophyte. Example of mesophyte are hibiscus plant and rubber tree.